Let's talk about manufacturing, mass producing a product. How do you do it? Hi, my name is Jonathan Globerson. I'm a product developer and I'm going to teach you about manufacturing. So when you first go to a factory, you're going to provide them some drawings or details, and then they're going to come back with a quote. What that quote will include is the following details. First thing is a mold. A mold is a hollow container that fits the shape of your design. That material that the mold is made of is usually some sort of metal. It could be stainless steel or aluminum. An aluminum mold is going to be much cheaper, but it's only up to 10,000 units of production. And then you have the stainless steel molds. It depends on the quality of the stainless steel. It could go up to 250,000 units that you can produce on that mold. You should probably shoot for the stainless steel molds because they're a bit more expensive, but they're going to last much longer than the aluminum molds. Next, you're going to have what's called a minimum order quantity. That's what the factory is asking to produce as a minimum order. For example, most factories probably in the US will ask you for a minimum of a few hundreds of products to make. If you go up to China, they're probably going to ask you 5,000 units or more, but you're going to see some cost difference. Now we also have some importation tariffs, so whether you're going to do it outside the US or inside, you need to calculate all those added shipping costs and added taxes. And then you could actually choose according to your cost and of course the factory, the quality that they can provide, where do you want to produce it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you next time.